Okay, we're in the customer's house and we're giving the A.O. Smith a tune-up. First thing you do is kill the power. Shut the power off. Then I got one of the elements out already. What I do with it? You can see all the sediment on it. Alright, you get this kit from Home Depot. It's a tune-up kit, 35 bucks. And it has the brands that it's compatible with. See? And ours is right there. A.O. Smith electric water heater. Well, I got the drain open down at the bottom, and the water's coming out into a drain that's in the front of the doorway, basement doorway. Clients complaining that the water's hot sometimes, then it gets real hot, then it's not hot. So sounds to me the element's going bad or one of the thermostats. So I got that one out there. The water's right there. So once it's all the way down, I'll get the other one out and put the new ones in, the new thermostats, and we'll fill the water heater back up. But before we do that, we're going to turn the supply line on with that open once it's empty to get as much of that smut out of the bottom. Then when you're filling it back up, you open the pressure relief valve every so often until you see water coming out of there. When the water's coming out of there, you give it another 10 minutes or 5 minutes, then turn the power on. Alright, I'll be back. You might want to get this wrench. I didn't have one, so I went to Home Depot and got it. $7 to take those elements out. I'll be back, Jack. Alright, so I put the new thermostat in. You see these clips? It slides behind it. This is what holds it up against the metal tank. It just slides in and out by hand. Make sure the power and everything's off, and it has to be pushed up against the tank. It's the old one. It's a new one. They're a little different, right? What they had the jumper for. Just put it back the way you took it off. You'll be fine. The two there, which is T4. One goes from here, and the other wire goes down to the element. The other two are jumpers to go down to the bottom, because this is where the power is supplied from. Okay? So I'm going to put the element in now. I like to leave them open because it lets all the water out, you know? Lets air in to let the water out. Now the bottom ones are usually the same. See the bottom one, the new one? And look at the bottom one, the old one, they're the same. They usually are the same. Same thing. Take the screws out, pop it out, slide it out. And I'll do it real quick here. Gotta get me a tripod or something. GoPro should send me a GoPro so I can do my videos better. And you pop them out, them out of the way, and like I said before, it just slides right out. You see? Slides right up. Pull it out. That's set for 125. One set to 125. This one's preset to 125. I'm going to kick it up to the notch after 125. Like that. Why isn't this thing focusing? Well, I put it on the notch right after 125. It makes like 127 or something, 128. Now slide this right back in there and reconnect those wires. hands because I gotta pull the clips back to get it in there. So you get the wrench on there, and then you put your screwdriver in the holes here. And you screw it out. Oh man, this one's a little tough. It's usually because it's full of smut at the bottom. I'm just gonna turn it to see if the water's down below it yet, so I can make my connections. See the water coming out? That means we're not ready yet. Snug it back up. I'm gonna be finishing this basement. I did the other side already. It's a bathroom and a kitchen. No, kitchen, we're talking about bathroom and a bedroom. Okay. Now what are we looking at here? I might as well go eat lunch or something. It's taking long. Let me give it a little shot of water here. See if I get some more water to come out of there. Looks the same. I gotta change that filter for them too. Let me do that now. Yeah, the water's going in, but no real smut coming out of there. Alright. So that's how you do it. Well, I'll be back. Let me change that filter right there. I got a new one there. Let me change it. Alright, people. It's totally full with sediment from here to here. So we're gonna just replace the whole water heater. Thanks for watching. Alright, boys and girls, we got the water heater in there. We're replacing the 80 A.O. Smith with a 50 A.O. Smith. Thing lasted 15 years. I think I'll go with the same name brand. Alright, so make sure you shut the power off. Take the ground off. Disconnect the wires here. I don't have... What I think I'm going to do with this is I'm going to get it out of here in the springtime. We're going to clean it out. Make sure the bottom is not rotted. And I'm going to use it as a hydronic heating system in my building. That's what I think I'm gonna do. I don't have my truck here. It's on a job site, so I'm dealing with these little bit of tools I got in the house here. Alright. Give me a minute, I'll be back. I'm gonna whack these off with the Sawzall right here. Make sure you get your pressure pipe off, because you use it on the other one, you're probably gonna have to cut it. Put it over here. Okay, here we are. A.O. Smith 100 series, cheapest one they had. That's what's going in there. Be right back. Alright, we're hooked up here. We hooked these braided lines up. See, that's what I was telling you, let the air out. As soon as you get water out of there, see, the water's going in easier now. It's all soldered in. It's a quick fix because we got to get going here. And now I got to lengthen the wire. Alright, so we're all hooked up. Just gonna flip the breaker. We're getting water out of here. See?
Wait, Mike, is that it?
230s.
I can't.
On top there.
I put the wrong thing on. I mean, on.
Well, put the other one back on.
I did.
Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so you should get a sound. You hear it? I don't know if you can hear it. It's going tss. That means it's heating up. The elements are getting hot. Alright, thanks for watching. This is the water heater install. Always put the date on it so you know when you did it. Mess over here. Like and subscribe.